You just paid a premium for a piece of high-end hardware. Yet right out of the box, your Android phone is working a second job you didn't approve. Hidden deep inside your settings menu are 3 default trackers silently consuming your battery life, eating up processing power, and feeding your daily habits straight back to Google's servers. Whether you are managing multiple channels from your phone, coordinating a complex travel itinerary, or just trying to get through a heavy workday, you need every ounce of that battery for yourself. Today, we are doing a digital detox. I'm going to show you exactly how to cut off this background telemetry and make your smartphone work for you, not the advertisers. To start cleaning up this digital clutter, open your main settings app and scroll down until you find the Google or Google Services menu. From there, tap on All Services and navigate to Privacy and Security. The very first setting you need to tap is Usage and Diagnostics. By default, Google leaves this switched on, so your phone can constantly package up your usage habits, crash reports, and battery data and quietly ship it off to their developer team. You are essentially doing free beta testing for a massive tech company at the expense of your own battery life. Flip that switch to off. Your phone does not need to be constantly whispering to the mothership. Back out to the previous menu, and right below that, you will see Personalize using shared data or Personalize with app data, depending on your software version. Go ahead and tap into that. This menu is a masterclass in corporate spin. It politely asks to use your on-device data to make Android even better. What that actually translates to is allowing apps like Gmail, Maps, and Chrome to cross-reference your private behavior to build a highly targeted profile on you. Go down this list and turn off every single toggle. You will not lose any actual app functionality. You are simply stopping them from talking to each other behind your back. Finally, let's sever the main tracking link completely. Back out to the main Google Services page and tap on Ads. Every Android phone is shipped with a hidden advertising ID. Think of this as a permanent digital name tag attached to your device that data brokers use to track you across the internet and serve you incredibly specific, slightly creepy, targeted ads. Tap Delete Advertising ID and confirm it on the next screen. By wiping this ID, you are essentially scrambling your digital fingerprint. You will still see ads on the internet, but you will instantly notice a massive reduction in how frequently they follow you from app to app. By flipping these 3 simple switches, you have instantly reduced your phone's background activity, extending your daily battery life, and taking a massive step toward digital minimalism. But clearing out Google's background trackers is only half the battle. If you want to shut the back door that actual scammers use to hijack your device, you need to watch the video on your screen right now. In our last breakdown, we exposed the dangerous blind spot default setting that hackers absolutely love. Click that video right now to finish locking down your device, and I'll see you over there.